Welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today I'm just showing you some of the renovations we have started in the kitchen. So I hope you enjoy this video. So this is my new dishwasher. I actually found this at Lowe's. It was a dent out of the box for $370, but with our military discount, I actually paid $337, and I will show you that receipt. This is the inside of the dishwasher. And I'm just showing you it now before it gets installed. Just your, basics, but it's stainless steel. And I like that the controls are on top, and it is a Frigidaire. Now, regular price for this dishwasher is $529. So I saved $195. Now, it does have a dent. The movers probably took it to somebody's house and dented it, bringing it in, and the person, said that they didn't want it, so they brought it back to the store. And I just happened to be in Lowe's looking for a dishwasher cleaner for the one that I have, and I said, well, let me go to the dishwasher area and see what the prices are, and I lucked up on this. I'm so upset that I don't have the yellow tag that was on here. I didn't take a picture of it, but I will show you my receipt, and then I'm going to show you our maintenance guy that comes out and does the things that I can't do, or my husband. So I will be back when he gets to install this. today we are going to open up my husband's birthday gift. It is called the Cussinart Deluxe Outdoor Prep Table. I thought this would be a nice gift for him because he does like to barbecue when he does go outside, and I figure, you know, with the kids, they can wash their hands, prep our food. So with that being said, thank you for stopping over. If you're new to the channel, thank you. If you're not, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give me a likes, and leave me a lovely comment, and let me know if you have one of these and how has it held up for you. Do you bring it in your garage? Do you keep it outside, etc.? So I'm going to put you in fast time lapse so we can get this unpacked and get it put together. And as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I'll see y'all in another video. Bye-bye.